Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our Tesla look Android screen that we can do it for 2012 to 2016 Honda CRV. As you can see, that's the unit and that's how it fits on the dash. It's a perfectly fine fit. And it retains the hazard light. So basically the small screen that used to be on top of this radio, it came off, and right now we have 10.25 inch Tesla look screen installed. So it gives you a lot of features such as offline maps, radio, that's USB multimedia, mirror link, Bluetooth, and also you can watch video. You can download any video and watch the video and have the sound system like home theater.
You don't know me. You're about
The steering wheel control works. As you can see right now, I'm lowering down the volume. The backup camera, factory backup camera, can work too. And when you go back to drive or park, it goes back to normal mode. The Bluetooth feature is right here. You can dial any number from the screen. You can click on home button, it goes back to the home screen, which gives you calendar, time, and also if you have Bluetooth music streaming, you can do that. And apps are here. You can download, actually it comes with Google Maps. You can download Waze and any other online maps. It gives you some information from the car. It reads from the OBD, such as RPM and speed of the car. Also, you can have access to the camera anytime you want, like without going to reverse. We can add front and right camera too. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you and have a great day.